These broke college students just saved their favorite karinderya. Here's how kindness created a lifelong loyalty. Utang na loob means debt of gratitude, and it runs deep in Filipino culture. Just look at Nanay Guy, a karinderya owner near UST. For years, she fed hungry students, she stayed up late, and always had a kind word. But when the pandemic hit, she lost her main customers. But instead of closing, she used her savings to cook for frontliners. Her former customers, now working professionals, organized a tribute video, calling her their second mom, and raised funds to help her out. That's utang na loob. When you show genuine care, people remember, and they pay it forward, sometimes even years later. In Filipino business, one act of kindness can echo 4 generations. So don't underestimate the power of genuine care. It's the best investment you can make.